guys, welcome back. Another vlog today from me. I did one when I went to Japan, so doing one when we're going over to SEMA. I'm going over with E30 co-founder Bilal, who's over there. We're going to be displaying some new E30 intakes while we're over there, so we've hired a villa out and invited some of our distributors over. We're just boarded the flight from Gatwick. It's nice and sunny in England, as you can see, but it's a couple of degrees, so very cold. In Vegas it's going to be around 27-28 degrees, so it'll be a welcome break from the cold weather we're having over here. Hopefully I'll get to go to the show as well. If you don't know about SEMA, it's probably the biggest modified car show in the world. They have some crazy builds over there, so I'll do some coverage from the show as well, pick out some interesting cars and see if we can talk to a few owners while we're over there. So we've got a 9-hour flight over there, so we'll catch you on the other side. So this is where we're staying. There's some German here already. Thank you very much. What's it like, Ingo? It's nice, yeah? I made a good choice. Okay, so we've just landed and we're coming to the villa for the first time. So you guys are seeing it just like we are. Nice little waterfall there. Here we go. Oh wow. That's huge. That is much bigger than I thought it would be. Wow. So we will be having the E30 displays in here, in this white section. Where's Malte? Is he chilling in the pool? No, is he in his speedos yet? He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom. Oh wow, there's our pool. Very nice. Cool, so the flight wasn't too bad, about 10 hours. Need some rest now though, so I actually need some food first. But no, villa's looking good. Very nice. So, first day, all our stuff has just arrived from the UK. So we've got the intakes, got some displays, and we've got some LCD screens. So the idea is that we're going to display them in this room here, dotted around. So now me and Bilal have just got to take them out of the boxes and put them together. So I'll try and time lapse that. Okay. Wednesday morning, we set up yesterday all the intakes, as you can see in the background. It's nice and sunny this morning. So we're just going to head over to the SEMA show for the first time today. Yesterday we couldn't go because we were waiting for the delivery to come, and we spent about 5 hours setting up. So I'll just quickly tour you around the intakes we've got on display today. Some of them it's the first time that we're actually showing them in public. So this is the Porsche 991.1 Turbo, which we think will fit the 0.2, but we are not 100% sure yet. That's the tried and tested F80. There's Mr. Bilal with no socks on. Morning, mate. That's the F90 M5 intake. That's the F56 Mini. That's the RS6. RS3, that is the Honda Civic FK8 Type R. That's the new one. That's the N20, and this is a limited run of 20 we did for Stewart, our friends in Germany. Sorry, Japan. Still early for the sunshine. And that is the B9 S5. We've also done the RS5 as well. It's quite similar, it's just the duct's slightly different. And there we have the Evolve airbox for the M3. And we've got some of the 660 wheels on display here as well. So that's the emblem in 21 or 22, I think. That's Crypto in brushed amber in 20. And these are the new magnesium wheels. These are crazy light. So in 19-inch, they're around 7 kgs, between 7 and 7.5, depending on the design. And that is a rose gold Tesson. And that's some kind of horse statue, which is really cool. I've also got, this is a second prototype titanium exhaust, the Evolve one. So I'm hoping to test this when I get back to the UK and then sign that project off. So we're going to head over to the show in a little while and we'll get some coverage from that. Not sure what this thing is, but it's insane. Look at that. That is crazy. There's the IND's F90 M5. It's got the BBS LMs on there. 3D design front lip. It's got different BBS wheels on this. I think they're CHRs or something. And the Eisenman exhaust and the RKP rear diffuser. This is one of my favorite cars I've seen so far, RS200. Some 1552 wheels on the Ford stand. It's beautiful. Just takes me back to my childhood watching those rally cars. I'm at a CSF stand and they've got two really cool builds on the stand, and one of them is an E30 M3 with a S55 swap. So we're just going to speak to the guy who built the car so he can talk us through it and maybe share some of the challenges he faced doing it. So this is Justin. Hey Justin, how's it going? Yeah, so do you want to tell us a bit about the car?
Yeah, so we have a 1988 BMW M3 here, E30 chassis, fully restored nut and bolt restoration with a S55 from a 2015 M3 with a 6-speed manual that we swapped into it using some of CSF's components.
Cool, and is it running stock power, I'm assuming?
Currently it's running a little higher than stock power. We're thinking a little under 500 horsepower crank, but we have not done it in the car yet, so we're not exactly sure.
Yeah, and I was discussing with you earlier that the engine management side of it, so you've essentially taken the whole loom from an F80 M3 and put in.
Yeah. When we after the car was sent off to the body shop to get taken down to bare metal, we bought a 2015 M3 that was totaled, but not too badly damaged for our purposes. Pulled the engine, pulled the transmission, a few driveline components, but more importantly the entire chassis harness from the F80 M3, which we eventually laid out in a E30 shell that we had for mocking up. Entire car harness from the F80, entire car harness from the E30, both in the car, powered them up, and started the engine in the other chassis.
Okay, cool. So this car made the top 40 yesterday?
Yeah, I heard
of the builders?
This car did make top 40 yesterday.
Okay, so we're hoping for a top 12 today?
We'll see. It made top 10 young guns, which is kind of neat too.
Okay. Yeah, this car's a manual, right?
Yeah,
six-speed manual. And suspension-wise, what have you done on there?
Control, suspension all around, three-way adjustable dampers.
Okay.
With remote reservoirs.
I'm assuming you've done the custom fabrication on the exhaust. Did you?
We didn't do that. We did outsource that to a shop. Arbro's fabrication.
Okay.
Stainless all the way back.
Yeah. Cool. No, it's a really good build. I hope you guys go through further in the battle of the builds. It'd be really cool to see the E30
I
doing
hope
something.
well too.
Yeah,
it's
cool.
It's been a lot of work, but a good journey.
It's worth the effort.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. All right, Justin. Thanks a lot, mate.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Yeah, take care. Check this out. All carbon Mustang. Every single panel. That is just stunning. And you know how much we like carbon. Look at that. That's crazy. You'll hear that along at SEMA. It's like the builds here, the amount of effort and money they put into them, it's just insane. That's stunning. So this is the Toyo Tread Pass. It links two of the halls together, and they always have some really cool builds on here. And it's quite an eclectic range of cars as well. Japanese, American, European. But I have been told there's two cars here that are worth having a look at, so I'm going to see if I can hunt them down. So here's the first one. So I believe this is the Tesla powered Porsche. I think we're going to be seeing a bit more of this type of build soon. So a classic body, there it is. This is not the Tesla powered one. That's around here somewhere, I'll go find it in a minute, but this is beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Another CSF cooled car. That's it's crazy. All carbon body as well. That's absolutely stunning. Yeah, if you've never been to SEMA before and you get the opportunity to come out here and you like cars, it's just amazing. Some modified Tesla. Saw that on Top Gear earlier today actually. Don't know too much about it. Mercedes 350 SL, one of my favorites. And here's one of the cars. So this was designed by Kizel, who's a guy from the UK, who was started off doing lots of different types of renders. And I think one of his renders was used in Need for Speed. And then he built his first wide body car, I think it was for racism. And now this is his first build that's been at SEMA. So look at that. I mean, I love those wheels. They're inspired from the M1. It's a wide body E30 M3 and it just looks great.
That's part of Ferrari, is not a
I like that a lot. It's got shades of the Mercedes 190 Evo to it. With a few different touches. The colour scheme works really as well. Matte black with lime stripes. Looks very similar to the Verdi Mantis on our F80. That's really cool. That Ferrari's really nice as well. I don't know where that Tesla powered Porsche is. I think that's over there. Go check it out. Yeah, but you can see just such an eclectic range of cars. Really cool builds. Some trucks over there. It's like an E46 M3 wide body with some kind of LS3 conversion. Love that colour. So I believe this is the Tesla powered Porsche. Doesn't have an exhaust, so it's a good chance it's this one. Again, do you think that's the future of these cars, taking a classic looking car and giving it electric power? Certainly looks fantastic. It's a Burberry style interior. Some modified Lamborghini Urus, which I have not seen a modified one before. Looks great. So this is on the Giovanna stand. Love the colour of the car as well. It's almost like a Suzuka Grey or something. I don't know if it's an official Lamborghini colour or not, but it looks great. This is another cool little thing I've spotted on the NW wheel stand. So they own Momo, ADV1, CCW and Forge Star. I mean, the imagination to come up with something like this, look at the finish. It just looks like an old school aeroplane, which I believe looks like it's based on a Porsche 356. That's stunning. Really, really cool car. I love the whole unfinished look of the bare metal as well. It looks fantastic. Just a Centenario, casually chilling. I don't think I've seen one of these in real life before. The carbon work and the detail on this car are amazing. Look at that. Carbon on the wheels, all carbon everywhere. Flawless weave. Yeah, because even that Ford that had that weave wasn't flawless, it was good, but this is flawless. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them for you.